Welcome to Rocksensor. Today, we'll walk you through the setup, configuration, and live demonstration of the RF3501 Turbine Flowmeter, a reliable solution for accurate flow measurement in various industrial applications. First up, we provide a 24 VDC power supply to the RF3501. As soon as it powers up, you'll see the display come alive, showing several key parameters like Totalizer, flow rate, frequency, current output. You'll notice there are two configuration buttons here, a left button and a right button. To enter the configuration menu, just long press the right button for a few seconds. This will take you into the parameter modification mode for the selected item. Here, the first thing you'll see is the password prompt. The default password is 22. Use the left button to shift the position of the digit, and the right button to change the number. Once you've entered the correct password, long press the right button again. And now, you're in the main configuration menu. From here, you can access and modify various parameters such as Q unit to select the unit of measurement, clear Q to reset the totalizer, HART address, damping, Q cut 0, Q 20 milliamperes to set the 20 milliamperes point, density, Q factor, Q mode. To change any parameter, simply long press the right button when you've selected the item you want. Now, let's see the RF3501 Turbine Flowmeter in action. And that's how simple it is to configure your RF3501 Turbine Flowmeter. Whether you're commissioning a new system or just fine-tuning settings, this Flowmeter makes it straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming instrumentation guides and tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help.